Mm, that's a nice name. Alright, you see, honestly, one night, me did a build a YouTube channel, you know, and it's like, all of them name me I get, Lando Lifestyle, Lando World, the next one, Lando Adventure. You know, me come up with them, but me I say, it not sound good. I understand, that's the reason why me never continue. But like how you give me the idea now, me kinda like it, you know. Lando Lifestyle. Me love Lando Lifestyle and Lando Adventure. Adventure, yeah. Me love them two there. One Lando. That sounds good too. One Lando. It can be about you hustling on the road. Munchie, yeah, that's true. Yeah, and me I go do it for real for now, and me know una come support me. So me I go do it. Come like my moderator, them not the over here. If you block them person who come with them, just make it so we can subscribe. Them people that will come with them negative. You Sean. You can't get blocked because first thing first. We can't take the people and we Lando the hustler. But me just leave off for the bad comments and just don't like me not see them, yeah. Them just love mix up. Just same way so. You notice all who are come with the mix up, not one of them not send me a gift. Not one of them not send me a gift. Just ask me a question. So what? Oh, my famous on the front, me Annie not there. When me done, me I go build the channel for real. Yeah. So yes and no. But so look how long me Annie not there. You say you bless and you say you. What go on? All things. Me and I know the for real. No joke. When that. Them can't hold me again. Go around the corner, me go around the bend. Can't hold me again. Also, me sell back that to cash to goal. Me sell back that to cash to goal. Cash for goal. And yeah, me money. No joke. I should have shown the ring before I sell it back, Yeah, before I sell it to cash goal. We will see. Okay. No, we not gonna see. So, we not see that already from what day? How long now?
What? Good evening. Oh, you smell so. I you not
Good.
see me. Oh, you smell so.
Not true, me add up that smile.
You look nice too.
Thank you.
Face plummy.
We feel plummy. I'm
Yeah.
lose, I'm lose weight.
Your face plummy and look good. Mm-hmm.
So my face alone gain weight then.
Or maybe somewhere else for your body.
Or maybe that too.
You know. Man not laughing. You look good though.
Thanks, man.
Mm-hmm. Come
Eh?
here, try look come here. Hmm?
Eh?
But look how much time I say no, say look like something wrong. And then my ear say Ray. My glass say you come back. Tomorrow Father's Day, more you big up yourself.
Yeah, man, every time. Yo, DJ 50, big up yourself. Put us.
Me I go fight you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Oh
so
my
I go on.
God.
Yeah, so
Come
I go
on,
on,
man.
put
I
him.
like you tell you can't fight my female my man. A long time me I trade for the boy. Murder the girl, man. I said, darling, I joke me I make you a sweetheart. I joke me I make darling. Look who joke better than quarrel. Are your girlfriend that?
No, I'm a friend.
Oh, come over, pam pam. Mm. Oh, my damn. So everything with you.
Everything alright, man. You know, so me smile. You so far, me smile and gone. We around there, so.
You look good, that's all I can say. I can't make you see me because my ear mad right now.
So look by my ear.
Mm. You say me always happy when you over here. When she talk, me or you?
You, she always the on my life.
Oh, she?
Yeah.
So she say she happy with me over here. Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, man, she always the on
Thank
my
you,
life.
baby. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah, say you're mad. Look on my head.
I'm going to turn on the camera make you see me. Hold on there. Oh, I'm going to turn on this one now. Oh, hold on, let me press save, right?
You still like me?
Hold on, let me right now. I know more camera there. Oh.
But your ear not stay nowhere. Mwah, mwah.
But they are work.
Oh,
Mm-hmm. I want a bunny come know what we're doing with this morning.